Now children, today we will start with Unit 2, our nature. So let's start with the chapter of this unit, that is chapter number 3, Worlds of Animals. You see different animals around us, right? We see different animals around us, and different animals, they live at different places, they eat different things. So let's study about the animals and you will identify and complete the name. So by looking at the photograph, which animal it is your giraffe. Next, second one, cow. Next is elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Next, fourth one, deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Next, fifth one, tiger. Then sixth one, that is your horse. Right? So the Indian मैना is a bird. It can be trained to talk like us. जैसे हम बात करते हैं ना, तो ऐसे इंडिया मैना है, वो भी ऐसी बात कर सकती है. And tigers have strong legs to help them to hunt. Tigers के कैसे legs होते हैं? Strong legs होते हैं, जो उनको hunt करने में help करते हैं. Right? So we have completed. Let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 4, sounds and animals. So different animals make different sound. So here I will tell you about the different sound. So let's match with it. First is lion, it roars. Cat is meows. Monkey, it's chatter. Cow, it moves. Dog, it barks. Crow, it caws. Duck, it quacks. Snake, it hisses. Elephant, it's trumpet. Frog, croaks. Goat, bleats. And donkey, breathes. These are the different sounds that we can see over here. And parrots जो होते हैं वो human beings की तरह mimic करते हैं. और rhino as a horn on his. आपने देखा होगा ना rhinosaur, उसके nose पे उसका horn होता है. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 5, animals pairs. Let's study about the different pairs of animals, male and female. So the male and females of animals are called by different names. So match the male with female. So here what you have to do, you have to match the male with female. First is horse, mare, cock, hen, bull, cow, dog, bitch, sheep, ewee, peacock, peahen, fox, vixen, drake, duck. Right? So these are the different animals that we have matched with their male and female. Now the shape of the bodies of animals, it's depend upon food. कि वो क्या खाना खा रहे हैं, वो उस पर डिपेंड करता है. और जो फीमेल डायनासोरस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? काउ बोलते हैं. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 6, animals babies. So let's see animals with their baby. So animals also have babies. Animals take care of their babies. They feed them and keep them warm and protect them from animals. And the babies of different animals have different names. जो babies होते हैं different animals के, उनके different names होते हैं. So let's study about them. Write the name and you can also take the help box. Now first is a dog baby. A dog baby is called. Dog के baby को हम क्या कहते हैं? Puppy. A cow baby is called. Cow के baby को हम क्या कहते हैं? Calf. A lion's baby. जो lion का baby होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Cub. Sheep baby is called lamb. Hen's baby is called chicken. A goat's baby is called, goat के baby को कहता है kid. Next is cat baby is called kitten. And duck baby is called duckling. राइट. एंड द बेबी एनिमल जो ईगल का होता है उसको हम इगलैट कहते हैं, और जो रैबिट है उसके बेबी को क्या कहा जाता है, बनी. व्हाट वी कॉल देम, बनी. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, दैट इज चैप्टर नंबर 7, ब्यूटीफुल बर्ड्स. सो बर्ड्स हैव द विंग्स टू फ्लाई. देखो बर्ड क्या होता है, उनके अंदर एक फीचर्स होते हैं कि वो फ्लाई करते हैं, उनके हॉलो बोन्स होते हैं, एंड वी लाइक द बर्ड्स मच. सो सॉल्व द ग्रिड पजल, टेक द हेल्प ऑफ गेस कॉर्नर. हियर फर्स्ट इज योर कीवी. So this is your kiwi. Next is cock. This is cock. Then we have swan. Then we have swan. Then we have ostrich. Here it is written ostrich. Then we have king fisher. This is your kingfisher. Then we have parrot. Then we have pigeon. Then we have sparrow. This is sparrow. Then we have peacock. Then next one we have owl. This is your owl. Right? These are the different birds you can see over here. Then we have ostrich. It is the largest bird in the world. और bat जो है वो आपका bird नहीं है, it's your mammal. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 8, beautiful flowers. So in this chapter we'll study about flowers. और जो आपके flowers होते हैं they have good smell. When you go to garden, you see different types of plant. Identify the picture and name them with the help of guess corner. So you have to identify the picture. Here, first one is your rose. This is your lotus. Third one is your jasmine. This is your sunflower. This is your lily. Sixth one is mogra. Seventh one, it is water lily. Eighth one, it is marigold. And ninth one is hibiscus. And then 10th one is daffodil. Now Lotus, it is your national flower, you have to keep in mind. And rose is known as king of flower. Rose को क्या बोला जाता है? It is a king of flower. Now we have completed this chapter. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 9, healthy fruits. Fruits makes us strong and healthy. So what we call fruits are healthy. So we eat different kinds of fruits. So let's study. You have to identify the names of fruits. This is your apple. So APPLE, apple. Second is orange. ORANGE, orange. Then third one is banana. BANANA, banana. Then fourth one is mango. MAN. Then fifth one is grapes. GRAPES. Sixth one is lychee. Seventh one is papaya. Eighth is guava. GUAVA, guava. Ninth is pear. Now mango is known as king of fruit. Fruit is healthy food and we must eat them daily. आपको उन्हें daily खाना, right? So let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 10, your healthy vegetables. Vegetables, they are also healthy and they are also good for our health. So let's write the names in the puzzle. So first one is your, what it is? It is capsicum. CAPSICUM, capsicum. Second one is radish. So RADISH, radish. Third one is pumpkin. PUMPKIN, pumpkin. Fourth one is your cabbage. Fifth is your brinjal. Second one is tomato. Now, and sixth one is your gourd. Right? These are the different vegetables you can see in the images. So we get vitamin and minerals from the vegetables. The people who depend upon vegetables, जो खाली vegetables खाते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Vegetarians, right? So now let's move to the next. Now we have completed our unit 2. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.